Hi class! Today we are going to be making our own jingle bells. So here's some of the materials that you need today. You need my template of jingle bells or just a piece of paper. You'll need some coloring utensils. You need a pipe cleaner and some jingle bells or the bells. You'll need styrofoam or like a cotton ball, and you'll need a stapler and a scissor and some decoration stickers if you have anything holiday or winter themed. Alright, you can either decide your bell to be really big or small, so I've made two different sizes for you. If you would like to make it big, please print out the first page twice because you'll need front and back. I'm just going to make a small one today, and if you would like to do the same, please just use the second page that I have ready for you. And you have conveniently front and back on there, and we're going to decorate both. I'm going to use one side using my color markers or any type of coloring utensils that you have, and write the word Jingle Bells on it. Of course, it doesn't have to be like mine, but the whole point is for you to basically decorate your two circles. So these are going to be like a handle or like the body part of the actual bells. So to be perfectly honest, this isn't going to be in a shape of a jingle bells, like however you're imagining it. It will be more in the shape of like a tambourine plus the bells combined together. And I made it this way for our little kids to carry. It's just easier for them to hang on to it. So it has like a big circle where they can hold it. And it's just a fun shape. So I made a little bit of a snowman and I wrote the word Jingle Bells, and I'm just deciding on the stickers that I would like to use for this bell. I don't want to make it into a necessarily Christmas theme. I want it to be winter themed so that everyone feels included. And I'm just going to use some of these really cute star looking stickers on it. I wish I had a little bit of more festive stickers, but of course, if you don't have anything, don't worry. Use your artistic skills to decorate. It is really your choice. Okay, after you decorated enough, we are going to use our scissors to cut out the two circles. Again, please be careful when you are using a scissor, and make sure you try your best to stay on the line and just cut them out. So after you cut this out, we are going to basically staple the two circles around it. But before you do that, please make sure you have the right side facing up, and then use a pipe cleaner to just weave through the bells that you have. I tried using one, but it was a little bit too small, so I got two little bells and one big bells, but really it's your choice of however you want to make it, depending on which materials you have. And after you weave through it, we are going to make this is going to be your handle, so just twist it around so that it's locked, and now you're ready to staple them. Again, like I said, make sure you have them facing the same way, and leave a little space at the top and put in either styrofoams or just some cotton balls in there so that it gives a little bit of a puffiness just for fun. Then put in the handle that you already made, and make sure that twisted part goes inside. Then staple the very last part with the handle opened up like that so that it doesn't easily fall through. Now staple it, and then you are done. There you have your own jingle bells. You can maybe I should have put in only two, but that's okay. Now you have your own jingle bells. How fun. Alright, I hope you liked it, and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.